how to set a video as core background on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the More button at the top. Next, from the menu, tap on the Settings button. Now in here, we go down and tap on Core Background. Next, tap on the Background button at the bottom. In here, tap on Gallery. And then from here, you can select the videos that you want to use as a core background. And then tap on the back key, and tap on the back key. And tap on the back key again. And that's it. Now another way to do it is to open up your gallery. In your gallery, browse through your pictures and videos, and then open up a video. Then tap on the More button, and then tap on Set as Wallpaper, and then choose Core Background. And in here, you can choose to use video sound as ringtone as well if you wanted to. And then tap on Set as Core Background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.